Hi Virgo, this is your channel messages for the either ask if you're fine and you're just not fine, but you have to say you're fine, because if you don't say you're fine, then they're gonna send you to a mental health association. Okay, hi Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 31st of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Virgo, let's go ahead and go into your Aphrodite spread, your temple of Aphrodite. Virgo, trying to calm down a little bit now because I'm tired as fuck. I don't know if you know this, but I'm so tired. Virgo, tomorrow, oh no, tomorrow is not the weekend, tomorrow is Friday. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. Let's see what you think, Virgo. We have the Eight of Cups. I'm getting you thinking about the bottle, or you're drinking a lot. What do they think? So you are thinking about drinking. Maybe I think about drinking, or you're masturbating to somebody, and I'm getting they're thinking about rejecting you. So maybe the reason why somebody keep rejecting you because you smell like liquor every time you want to have sex. It's first thing. The second thing is, what the fuck? Because this is the same man. So you want drink, you want to be left alone. They want you to chase them. But I don't know, I'm getting when you're with them, when you're asking her for something, she not attend to you. So you go home and you drink. So I'm getting all of this is over this woman you want. Now why is the woman not coming to you? Could be 3 reasons why. There's a snake behind the woman, so the woman know the company who you talk to. She's not going to, no matter how much you compliment her, no matter how much you talk to her, she's not going to chat to you because who you're around. Who are you mingling around? Are you mingling around somebody that the Empress know more than you? Yeah, mingle around somebody who the Empress knows secrets about. Me getting, first of all, that's why she not come to you, because who you're fucking with a snake. And if you're friends with a snake and she fuck with you, you're going to tell the snake about her secrets. That's why she not fucking. That's why every single time you offer her something, she reject you or she do this. Because you're fucking with snakes around you. And she don't fuck with snakes. The last time she fuck with a snake, God banished her out of the fucking Garden of Eden. On top of that, him tell her, say, I'm gonna make your pussy hurt you when you have a peppy. Right? She don't want to do it again. What do you feel? You feel the Ten of Swords. You feel defeated. You feel like this woman don't want you. What do she feels? She feels like you have money, or she don't want to give you. That's why she not give you your body. You just want drink, approach her, and she reject you, and you call it defeat. Me getting she not giving you her body until you give her something substantial. You gotta give her something substantial. You want to just tell her she's pretty, bring her out and fuck her. Okay, me can get that any blood clot where me can go on Tinder, me can go on Clover, me can go on OkCupid, me can go on POF, me can go on Hinge, me can go on Bumble, me can get that anywhere. Me can get any blood clot man for carry me out, carry me to dinner, and then fuck me after. That is not easy. That is not hard. This is an easy task. Me can do that today. Me can do that every day for the blood clot week if I want. I could have fuck one man a day every day for a fucking week. The difference between a man and me I fuck, them want fuck for fun. I don't fuck for fun. Go find some younger girls to do that with. Go find some girls who are more self-conscious to do that with. So me getting you not gear. You have money. You're not gearing no money, but you want pussy from her. She not gearing no pussy because she know you have money. So if you give her money, if you give her something substantial, if you give her something make you look like you're actually interested in her, then she will give you pussy. But you're not gonna just come beg pussy with your hand. Look on the pentacle you have over here, so. But when you want pussy from she, you take off the whole clothes, you take off all of the jewelry, you empty your pocket, take the most dirty looking wallet, and then go to her, and you have out your hand, literally. You're begging her to just sit down in your hand, to put her pussy in your hand. You beg her pussy. She's not getting a pussy, you have money. You gotta give her something substantial. So I don't know if your head might say, okay, pussy, money, prostitution, that's what it means. Okay, what do you say when it's no money but pussy and you get it for free? What you say with that? Do you say wife material? What your blood clot you say with that? So I'm getting that's why you feel betrayed. That's why you feel like everything you do it now work. Because one, you're hanging around snakes. Two, on top of the fact oh, the snake them tell you say them fuck for free. So you can fuck for free too. No. Snakes can probably fuck for free. They're animals. You fuck them and then you just skin them, use them skin to make blood clot leather. That's all the fuck you do with snakes. So that's the first thing. The second thing is, yeah, What type of girl you want? You want one girl that can say, yes, I love you, you look so pretty, come make her go on a date and you can fuck her? Or you want a girl who will stand her ground and make sure say, you know, fuck her till you give her something where she can go home and use it. That's why you're not getting pussy from her. Get it now? Ask your mother. Ask your mother if your father did get pussy from her for free. Ask your mother that. Or if you had to spend money. Ask your mother. Your sexual feelings, yeah, the page of 1. This is just defeat. Like you finally put something to rest. Because I'm getting no matter how much you fucking try, you can't get through. But maybe it's who you listen to. You're listening to old washed up niggas who have 6 different blood clot baby mothers, 4 different picnic, and them still blood clot single. And you're listening to a nigga like that for dating advice. You ain't gonna get pussy either. You listen to a nigga, yo, if you want this bitch, just romance her. Don't offer her nothing, don't spend no money on her. She's a road bitch. Okay, alright. How much money you have spent on the 6 baby mother them you have? Do you even support all of your kids? Great. So you listen to a bum ass nigga about pussy advice. You listen to a bum ass nigga who can't get pussy, how to get pussy from a girl who not give them pussy. You thought you was going to get pussy? Your friend couldn't get the pussy either. You think taking your friend's advice would make you get pussy too? You ain't gonna get no pussy. You have money. You better buy pussy or you better spend money on a girl. She not get pussy for free. The fuck? Go to one of the girls that move on here for that. The fuck? What's your sexual feelings? The 5 of Swords. You say every single thing, every card that come out, you'll get fucked. Yeah. So I'm getting somebody sabotage your shit. Because I'm getting you are the type of person you're very gentleman-like. You would offer somebody something. But somebody tell you, one little snake tell you not offer nothing. Hold out your hand and beg her. Me can beg her. Excuse me. Hi, hello, hi, come here. I'm sorry for bother you. I can't really have no money on me now. Me can beg you a fuck. Like that's what they ask. That's what they want you to do. What is their feelings? The 10 of Pentacles. Yeah. See ya again. You have money, you have blood clot money, you need to spend money. You want good pussy, you spend money on good pussy. You want loyalty in this time, 2024, you spend blood clot money on it. The fuck you feel like? The fuck you did feel like? You have money, spend it. Me never say to spend it off. Me never say to spend it all in one day. And me never say to spend it on these thoughts. Me say to spend it on a girl who you think is worth it. But no, you're gonna be like, I need to test this bitch. I need to make sure the bitch is here for me. So if the bitch ain't here for me, then I ain't gonna spend on her. So I'm gonna test her, see if I can fuck her without buying her shit. So after I fuck her, I can be like, you know what? You were smart. You were loyal. Let me give you money. Sir, there's other ways to test loyalty than making a girl waste her body count. You look stupid. That's how you look. You stupid. You broke. That's how broke people talk. And if you ain't broke in your wallet, you're broke in your character. Where is it going? 2 of Wands. So it's going abroad? Is it going international? Is it going on a vacation, on a trip? I don't know if you will say, yeah, but I got a room. The room is all inclusive. We got this nice scenery. Why should you want money from me? Because you get that room so you could fuck. You never get it for she. You want her to say, oh, you want this girl to believe so that this road trip that you want to take in, you buy gas, you pay for the hotel room, you pay for everything, and she go in there and she eats her everything. And you're like, oh, I did all of this for her. Why should not give me pussy? Because you not give her no money. You spend money on the hotel. You spend money on food. You spent money on what you feel like would I get the girl to give you pussy. You never give her no money. That's why she never give pussy. Why you never just get the girl the money and I say here? I don't know if you can use this or not, but here. She probably would have fuck you outside. You wouldn't even need to rent a fucking place. Anyways, I'm going to fucking leave it here. I cannot. We have toxic relationship. It's toxic. But you think she not give sex until you give her money. And you not give her money until she give you pussy. So I guess we're at a standstill. Gemini. Bright and blood clot face. You handle about you want fuck for free. You want fuck for things. You want fuck for go out. For go out. You want go out? Yeah, come and bring a Niagara Falls so I can fuck you and show you the falls. God know how him take me out in Temperance, the angel. God know why him did take me off of this blood clot matrix in time. So I couldn't be wasting time on these niggas. And trust no one. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.